Kate. Happy birthday, Kate. Babies do some dopey things, but I guess we were all babies once, like my friend Buster.
No, sweetie, don't do that. Oh, goodness. No, stop.
And Mr. Ratburn.
Emil, what are you doing?
Even my mom and dad.
Clean your room.
Even my little sister Kate is growing up. I already miss the days when she was a cute little baby.
No, you don't.
Do too.
You didn't even like Kate when she was a little baby.
Did too.
Uh-huh, sure. I remember exactly what happened.
Hi. Let go, DW.
No, you let go.
You already ate more than me.
I need it more than you. You're only bigger than me because you're full of so much food.
You know how the world could be perfect? Remove all little sisters. That's my idea of perfect.
Delicious.
Arthur, DW, we have a surprise for you.
Is it a new bicycle?
No. Is Arthur moving out? No.
What is it? What is it?
We're going to have a baby.
A baby?
A baby?
A baby! Yahoo! Baby, 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 baby! Yay! Baby! A baby, baby.
It'll be about 6 months before the baby comes. Plenty of time to get ready.
Baby, baby, baby! Yay! Baby!
Yeah. Ah!
You better buy some earplugs. Babies never stop crying.
Pass the salt, please.
What?
I said pass the salt.
So you can forget about sleeping.
Poor Arthur. In a few months, he'll be changing all those dirty diapers.
This should protect you from those smelly diapers.
Yeah, I can't smell anything.
Great.
But I can't breathe. What's the big deal with babies? They don't even do anything.
Maybe you can teach your baby to do something useful, like earn money for you.
Presenting the amazing baby. Thank you, thank you.
Or do your homework.
And when you're done with the math, don't forget to write my report on Magellan. If only life were like that.
Pretty soon, you can forget about playing after school. You'll have to babysit.
Yeah.
And you'll start talking baby talk all the time.
Go!
Great catch, Reed. You okay?
Got an ouchie boo-boo.
Arthur talks like a baby.
And you smell like diapers, too.
No.
okay, honey? You were tossing and turning.
I was having a dream.
I guess you must be as excited as I am about the baby coming.
Yeah, it's all I think about. I guess I'm ready for that baby now. I've thought of everything.
What if your mom has more than one?
Arthur, come over here and I'll show you how to diaper a baby. Oh no, no! Get that diaper off my bionic bunny right now! And stop trying to turn everything into a baby!
Forget the diapers. Come over here. I want to show you two something. You were a baby once too, you know.
Is that me? Come on, dear.
Yes, you were such a cute baby.
Yeah, what went wrong? That's me? Don't I look adorable? And I bet the new baby's gonna be just like me. That's what I'm afraid of. What are you doing?
I have to be ready to go to the hospital at any time now.
Here's something to look at while you're in the hospital to help you make another perfect kid.
I'll pack that with my other things.
I win! Did not, it was a tie!
Huh? Who wants blueberry pancakes?
Grandma Thora, you're in the wrong house. Where's Mom and Dad, Grandma?
They're at the hospital. You both have a new baby sister.
A sister! My sister! She'll be just like me! Yahoo! Oh, brother. Oh, sister! Yay! Yahoo! Which one is my sister?
That's her. And her name is Kate.
She has your nose, Arthur. And your mouth. She's here! My sister's here! Let me see!
Shh, she's sleeping.
Aww. She's kind of cute.
Arthur, would you like to hold Kate?
Mom! Mom! Can I hold her? She doesn't cry when I hold her. Hi, Kate. I'm your big brother.
What do you mean she hates you?
She cries every time I get near her.
She's a baby. Babies cry.
DW doesn't make her cry, just me.
Arthur, could you watch Kate while I go upstairs?
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure you'll do just fine.
Here, you dropped this. Arthur! Is that on the floor? It has to be sterilized. Hold this. Darn. Don't worry, I'll take care of everything. I'll get it. Hi.
Can Arthur come out?
No, he's babysitting. Would you like to come in and see my baby?
Yeah, sure.
Aww. Don't get too close, because you have germs. What a cute baby. She looks just like me when I was a baby. Everyone, stand back. I know what she wants. Everyone remain calm. Arthur, aren't you gonna help? No, I'll only make it worse. I know exactly what to do. Arthur, hold her while I get a clean diaper. Come on, Kate. Oh, googity, 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 googity. I wonder what she's trying to tell us. Aww.
Is everything all right?
It is now.
Arthur burped the baby right when she was about to explode. Oh, gross. She's spitting on him.
She is not. She's kissing him.
Aww.
Ready? Okay, this is a video of my first birthday, before I had glasses.
Come on, Arthur. That's right. Now blow.
Come on, Arthur. Hey, perfect.
Happy birthday, DW!
And this is DW's first birthday.
My daddy, pineapple. DW, watch me. I'll show you how to blow out the candle. Give me Lammy's present.
And now it's Kate's very first birthday. Cut it out. Mom, DW's wrecking the video.
No, I'm not. I'm just trying to make Arthur look more interesting. But it's hopeless.
Happy birthday, Kate!
A little sister is always more interesting than a brother.
You didn't always think that. What do you mean? I remember how you felt when Kate first came home.
More powerful than a locomotive.
Ta-da!
DW's baby.
She's here! My sister's here! Let me see! Let me see! Let me see!
Shh, she's sleeping.
Aww. Let me hold her. Let me hold her. Please.
It's certainly nice to be home. It was just too quiet at that hospital.
Now we'll hear if she cries. DW? DW?
That's it? We're done with her?
DW, want to come help me make dinner? We have to let the baby sleep.
Hasn't she had enough sleep by now? I heard that too much sleep is bad for you. She's inhaling. Now she's exhaling. Inhaling again. Exhale. In.
Dad, she's doing it again.
DW, please.
Inhale. Exhale.
Bath time for Kate.
I'll give her a bath.
You'll have to wait until she's a little bit older, DW.
How about now? Hey, I'm a baby expert. Why don't they want my help? You know, grown-ups. Give them time. They're slow learners.
Arthur, could you watch Kate while I go upstairs?
Why is she leaving him in charge? He doesn't know beans about babies. This is your chance to show your mommy how much you know. Yeah.
Here, you dropped this.
Arthur! Was that on the floor?
has to be sterilized. Don't worry, I'll take care of everything. There. Here, I'll get it.
What a cute baby. She looks just like me when I was a baby.
Everyone, stand back. I know what she wants. Stand back. Maybe you should go get your mommy. No, I've watched Mommy. I know exactly what to do. Maybe now you should get your mommy. Then she'd think I'm not a baby expert. Everyone, calm down. I know exactly what to do. Arthur, hold her while I get a clean diaper.
Come on, Kate. Oh, go get it.
I wonder what she's trying to tell us.
Aww.
Is everything all right?
Huh? It is now.
Arthur burped the baby right when she was about to explode.
I loosen up the gas and he takes the credit. I don't think Arthur was trying to make you look bad. Burps are mysterious things. One burp and he takes over. I should be doing that. She's my sister.
It would fit right here.
Huh? What would fit?
The crib. Pretty soon, sweetie, Kate will be sleeping in here with you.
She will? Maybe you make her burp, Arthur, but she's going to live with me in my room. A little to the left. Easy does it. Mom, your end's crooked. We're gonna have so much fun. Hey, you! It smells like a zoo in here.
DW, close that. The baby will be in a draft.
Ew! My doll smells like stinky diapers. You want to play too, Kate? Here, you can have my truck. Watch out, though. The tire kind of falls off.
DW, you can't let Kate play with your truck.
Why not?
It has too many small pieces she could choke on. You have to be extra careful around Kate. This room has to be baby safe, DW. We have to clean up everything. What a good girl you are. Eat your cereal, DW.
I can't eat. My teeth are tired.
Why don't you just get rid of her?
I can't. Mommy and Daddy like her. What if they didn't like her anymore?
Yeah. What if she did bad things?
She doesn't do anything except eat and cry and poop. La 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 la. She doesn't have to do anything. She just has to get blamed for it. She did it.
A demolition team did it, DW.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Ah! How did my new shoes get in the dishwasher?
Kate did it. I saw her.
DW, go to your room and think about what you just told me. I'll be up to discuss it with you.
He said discuss. You know what that means. Yeah, I'm in trouble. I wonder what he'll say when he finds a slice of bologna in the CD player. I told you not to do that. What are you thinking? about our garage sale tomorrow. Mrs. Tibble, we have a nice brand new baby, hardly used, 50 cents.
What?
My mommy says she's too much trouble. Okay, 35 cents, but it's my final offer.
On an island that has everything they need, the monkeys lead happy lives.
Yes! This family's not working out.
Where are you going?
I'm going to lead a happy life on an island that has everything I need.
Bye, DW.
Where's the nearest island?
Button Island.
Thanks. Goodbye, Arthur. Mom, I'm leaving.
Okay. Keep your shirt on. Hello, DW. What a surprise.
I came to say goodbye. I'm going to live with monkeys on Button Island.
I see. Are there monkeys there?
You're silly. It's an island. You know, monkeys, island. Could you drive me there? I think I need a boat.
Won't your family miss you?
No, they like Kate now.
I'm really going to miss you, DW.
I'll write to you after I learn to write.
I think Kate will miss you.
She's just a baby. Babies don't miss.
But when she grows up, she'll have a mommy, a daddy, a brother. What's missing?
A me. A sister. Oh, poor Kate. All alone without a sister. Back up, Grandma. I've got to get home. My sister needs me. There's no way I'm going to let Arthur show her how to do things.
DW, where were you? We were all worried.
I'm here, Kate. Don't worry. I'll show you how to do everything. That's what a big sister's for. You. But mommies and daddies change the diapers. Mom! DW, let Kate drink her bottle. When Mom and Dad come in from the yard, I'm telling them you bossed me around. You're lucky. Did I ever tell you about the babysitters I had? Like Mrs. Gutter? She was always practicing her golf swing. Then there was Mrs. Schmagegi. She made great cookies, but she was a little clumsy.
These houses, poor design, rotten construction.
The worst was Mrs. Featherfoffer.
Kimberly, I know you weren't at the periodontist.
Oh, Roger, if you must know, I was bungee jumping.
Don't make noise. Go to bed.
It's daytime.
Go to bed.
Some babysitters are a real pain, and I don't know why, because it's the easiest job on earth. Wait! Come back!
Arthur babysits.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Arthur, don't push the stroller too fast, okay?
Okay, Dad. DW, why are you so blue and green and red? We did finger painting in school. Your picture's so neat. How'd you get paint all over you? It was those Tibble twins. They're driving me crazy. They should be in cages. They can't be that bad. You don't know them, Arthur. They give our teacher headaches. Don't get too close. That's where they live.
Hey, DW! Hey, DW! I said it louder. Hey, DW! I said it loudest.
Let's run, okay? They don't look so bad. What's the problem? They're the problem.
Why, hello, DW.
Hi, Mrs. Tibble. I can say it louder than that, Grandma.
You certainly can, sweetheart. Has anyone seen the babysitter?
She had to go home. Suddenly.
Oh, dear. Now I have no babysitter for this afternoon, and I must go next door to visit Mrs. Fogel.
You know, Arthur's a great babysitter, and I'm sure he'd be glad to do it.
Oh, would you? It would help me out so much, just for an hour or so.
Sure, I can do it. I'll take Kate home and be back this afternoon.
Yay!
I can't play kickball this afternoon. I have to babysit the Tibble twins.
You don't mean the terrible Tibble twins.
What do you mean?
My sister babysat for them once. Just once. And she's still having nightmares about it. Tibble, Tibble, Tibble.
What did they do to her?
I don't know. She wouldn't talk about it.
Back out of it while you're still alive.
Oh, Arthur, don't listen to them. It'll be just like taking care of DW and Kate.
I'm hungry too. 4011, 4012, 4013.
Ah! Just figure the Tibbles are a little worse than your sisters. It'll be easy, right?
I've got to go.
Be tough on them or you're dead.
Tell them that you're in charge and what you say goes.
We may never see him again.
Arthur, come in. My grandsons are very energetic, but I don't think that will be a problem. Do you? Are you okay, Arthur? Boys, Arthur's here.
Faster, faster!
That's Tommy in the red kerchief and Timmy in the blue one. It's their nap time now, so they should sleep until I'm back. See you later, boys. Oh.
She's gone.
Mountain lion on the loose!
Tommy! Come in! Tom! Don't move! There's a vicious mountain lion on your head. Look, guys. It's nap time.
You tired?
No. You?
No, we're not tired. We want to play hide and seek.
Be tough on him or you're dead. I'm the babysitter and what I say goes. It's nap time. Now.
We're not tired. Look!
Hey! You have to listen to me. I'm the babysitter. Hey! Stop that right now! Hello? Hi, Arthur. It's DW. Just calling to see how things are going. They won't take a nap, no matter how much I order them. Try playing a game to calm them down. Then they'll get tired. Good idea. Thanks, DW. Just don't let them have any paint. Hey, guys, let's play a game.
Oh, boy, let's play hide and seek.
Nope. How about playing cards instead?
I know a good game. It's called 52 Pickup.
49, 50, 51, 52.
Catch!
hide and seek?
No, you guys wouldn't be interested in playing cowboy, would you?
Yay! Yeah!
Okay, now I'll be the sheriff and you're my deputies. I'm your boss and...
We're the bad guys and you can't catch us. Yip, yip, yip.
Hello? Arthur?
Arthur can't come to the phone right now.
He's all tied up.
You ready to play hide and seek, Sheriff?
Okay.
You're it. Count to 20.
19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. It's nice and quiet now. Too quiet. Oh no! What if they went out? I'll be in big trouble. And so would the town.
This is all Arthur's fault. He was supposed to watch them.
Yeah, it's Arthur's fault. He's gonna pay for this.
Arthur? Is that you? What happened before? I can't talk right now. I'm looking for the twins. I think they left.
Arthur, you'll go to jail for losing 2 innocent children.
I'm especially worried because if they're not with me, the Swamp Thing might get them.
The what?
The Swamp Thing rises from the swamp every day around this time to hunt for something to eat. Arthur, are you feeling all right? I'll call you back.
Monster! The Swamp Thing is outside! What do we do?
Sit down a safe distance from the doors and windows, and I'll tell you. The Swamp Thing is a nasty creature, covered with green, slimy gunk, and it's always hungry. Hungry for twin boys. But twins are hard to find, so he's always very hungry, and that makes him mad. Mean mad. You can't hear him sneaking up. Behind you! But as he walks, the Swamp Thing drips a trail of stinky swamp water.
Swamp Thing! Hello, boys. I brought some ice cream from Mrs. Fogel. Oh, no, it's melting.
Grandma!
They didn't feel like taking a nap, so we played. I'll clean up.
Can we help Arthur clean up, please?
You want to help clean up? I think I might faint. You are the first babysitter who didn't run screaming from the house like they were running from a monster.
That's because I have the monsters on my side, Mrs. Tibble. See you later, guys.
Goodbye, Arthur. Bye.
You're home early. Couldn't take it, huh? Didn't I tell you? They were horrible. Admit you were wrong. Admit it.
DW, we had so much fun that Mrs. Tibble wants me to watch them every afternoon this week.
And you're going to do it?
Yeah? They just want to have fun, not be bossed around. Oh, they asked me to bring you along tomorrow and all week so they'd have somebody their own age to play with.
Mommy,